Listen up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on you about AI and making money. Most people are using AI wrong for making money. You know what? I've seen the exact tactics successful AI business owners use, and I'm gonna share them with you right now. But before we dive in, I want you to think, why do you want to use AI for business? Drop that in the comments below. Let's get this conversation started. Look, if you're not using AI to automate repetitive tasks in your business, you're leaving money on the table. I'm talking about all those mind-numbing, time-sucking tasks that are holding you back from real growth. AI can handle your email responses, schedule your meetings, even manage your social media posts. You've got to leverage this stuff if you want to scale. And here's the kicker. It's not just about saving time. It's about freeing up your mental energy to focus on the big picture stuff that actually moves the needle in your business. Trust me, once you start automating, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. It's that powerful, that game-changing. All right, let's talk about picking your niche. You can't just say, I do AI, and expect the money to roll in. No way. You need to zero in on a high-demand industry where AI delivers outsized value. Maybe it's using AI for real estate market analysis or AI-powered financial forecasting for small businesses. The key is to find where the pain points are and how AI can solve them. I'm telling you, when you nail your niche, you become the go-to expert. You're not just another AI guy, you're the AI wizard for a specific industry. That's how you command higher prices and get clients coming to you instead of the other way around. It's all about positioning, all about being the expert in your field. Listen, customer support is a game changer when it comes to scaling your business. And with AI, you can provide 24/7 support without hiring an army of people. I'm talking chatbots, automated FAQ responses, the whole 9 yards. It's about being there for your customers without actually being there, you know what I mean? But here's where it gets really interesting. Done-for-you AI integrations. There are so many businesses out there that know they need AI, but they don't know how to implement it. That's where you come in. You can offer to set up tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, and other automation platforms for them. It's a high-value service that can easily push you over that $1,000 per month mark. And let me tell you, once you start doing this, you'll see the demand is huge. Okay, let's talk about creating and selling micro SaaS AI tools. This is huge, guys. You don't need to build the next Facebook. Start small, solve a specific problem with AI, and boom, you've got a product you can sell over and over again. And the best part? You can validate your idea and launch with minimal code. It's all about finding that sweet spot between what people need and what AI can do. Now, let's switch gears to content. AI-generated content is a game changer for marketing. I'm talking about using AI copywriters for blogs, ads, emails, you name it. But here's the catch. You can't just rely on AI to do everything. You need to add your own voice, your own personality. That's what sets you apart and builds your brand. It's about using AI as a tool, not a crutch. Let's talk money, specifically, how to make more of it with less effort. AI tools can analyze and optimize your ad spending like nothing else. They can crunch numbers faster than any human and tell you exactly where your money is best spent. If you're not using AI to manage your ads, you're basically setting your money on fire. And I mean that, it's that important. But here's where it gets really exciting. Subscription-based AI services. This is your ticket to recurring revenue, baby. Package up your AI automations into a monthly service. Maybe it's a bundle of social media management tools or a suite of business analytics. The point is, you do the work once and get paid over and over again. That's how you build real wealth in this game. It's all about that recurring revenue. All right, let's talk about speed. In today's market, if you're not fast, you're last. That's where AI comes in for website and funnel creation. We're talking about tools that can deploy landing pages and entire sales funnels in a matter of hours, not weeks. This isn't just about saving time, it's about being able to test and iterate quickly. It's about staying ahead of the competition. And speaking of testing, let's talk about lead generation and qualification. AI can scrape websites, filter leads, and even handle follow-ups automatically. Imagine waking up to a list of qualified leads every morning without lifting a finger. That's the power of AI in your sales process. It's like having a sales team that works 24/7, never gets tired, and never asks for a raise. Now, let's get into the real moneymaker, high-ticket AI consulting. Look, you can spend all day chasing small clients, or you can land a few big fish and call it a day. AI implementation for large companies. That's where the big bucks are. We're talking 5, 6-figure deals. But you've got to position yourself as an expert, as the person who can transform their business with AI. And here's a pro tip: continuously test and refine your AI stack. The AI world moves fast, and you need to stay on top of it. Try new tools, experiment with different workflows. Not only does this keep you sharp, but it also gives you new services to offer your clients. You're not just selling them a solution, you're selling them innovation. You're selling them the future of their business. All right, let's talk about squeezing more juice out of your existing clients. Upselling maintenance and support packages, this is crucial. Once you've set up an AI solution for a client, they're going to need ongoing support. That's your opportunity to lock in recurring revenue. Make it easy for them to say yes by showing the value of keeping their AI systems up to date and running smoothly. Here's something that's going to blow your mind: no-code AI platforms. These are a goldmine for non-coders who want to launch AI businesses fast. You don't need to be a tech wizard to create powerful AI solutions anymore. Find the right platform, learn it inside and out, and you can start delivering value to clients almost immediately. It's about working smarter, not harder. As you grow, you gotta learn to let go. Use AI-powered platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find freelancers for non-core work. This frees you up to focus on the high-value tasks that really drive your business forward. And don't forget to use AI to track your business KPIs in real time. You need to know your numbers if you want to scale effectively. It's all about data-driven decisions, people. Listen, building a community around your AI business isn't just nice to have, it's essential. It fosters trust, generates referrals, and creates opportunities for recurring revenue. Host webinars, create a Facebook group, engage with your audience. The more you give, the more you'll get back. It's about building relationships, building trust, and becoming the go-to person in your niche. All right, we've covered a lot of ground here. From automating your business to building high-ticket AI consulting services, these are the tactics that are going to get you to that $1,000 plus per month and beyond. But remember, knowledge without action is useless. So I want you to pick one tactic, just one, and implement it this week. Which one will it be? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI business tips. Now go out there and crush it.